Nikola Tesla, the man who lit the world, the forgotten genius, and the mind decades ahead of his time. Today, we uncover the incredible story of Tesla, from his mysterious childhood to his lonely final days. This is the true life of Nikola Tesla, the greatest inventor you never truly knew. Nikola Tesla was born on July 10, 1856, during a violent lightning storm in a small village in modern-day Croatia. A midwife said the storm was a bad omen, but his mother replied, "No, he will be a child of light." Tesla grew up surrounded by nature and homemade inventions. His mother, Juka, was a brilliant self-taught inventor. By age 6, Tesla had a photographic memory. By age 9, he could solve engineering problems completely in his mind, without writing anything down. Tesla possessed a rare gift. He could visualize entire machines perfectly in his mind. He said, "I build machines in my mind, not on paper." But this gift came with hallucinations, flashes of light, and images he could not control as a child. These mental visions shaped the inventions he later created. Tesla excelled academically, but suffered early tragedy. His older brother, Dane, died in a riding accident, something Tesla never emotionally recovered from. He later studied engineering in Graz and Prague, where he conceived the idea of alternating current, AC electricity, a revolutionary concept no one believed possible at the time. In 1884, Tesla arrived in the United States with just 4 cents in his pocket. He carried a letter recommending him to Thomas Edison, saying, "I know 2 great men. You are one. Tesla is the other." Tesla worked briefly for Edison, but the 2 men clashed. Edison believed in direct current, DC, while Tesla believed AC was the future. This rivalry became the legendary War of the Currents. Tesla joined forces with industrialist George Westinghouse, and together they launched the AC revolution. In 1893, Tesla illuminated the Chicago World's Fair, the first event in history powered entirely by electricity. His ultimate victory came with the Niagara Falls power plant. When the turbines started, Tesla's AC system proved unstoppable. The modern world runs on this achievement. Tesla dreamed even bigger, wireless energy for the entire world. With funding from J.P. Morgan, he built the massive Wardenclyffe Tower. It could transmit wireless signals and potentially free electricity globally. But when Morgan realized people could receive energy for free, he cut the funding, construction stopped, Tesla's greatest dream collapsed. Tesla continued to invent alone. Bladeless turbines, neon lighting, remote controls, advanced radio technologies. But without investors, he became increasingly isolated. He lived in New York hotels, caring for pigeons, especially one white pigeon he loved deeply. Many called him eccentric, but Tesla insisted, "The present is theirs, the future for which I really worked is mine." On January 7, 1943, Nikola Tesla died alone in room 3327 of the New Yorker hotel. He was 86 years old. Soon after, government agents seized his papers. Many remain classified to this day. Tesla died poor and forgotten. Yet today he is honored as the father of modern electricity, wireless communication, robotics, and countless technologies. Nikola Tesla was not just an inventor, he was a visionary far ahead of his time. If you want more powerful stories about the greatest minds in history, subscribe and stay tuned.